What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph here, and welcome to this first installment of this luxury edition of these room tours. So first suite, we're gonna kick off with this luxury tour is the what? Bizette suite on board the Serenade of the Seas. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So I gotta shout out my wonderful cabin stewards for letting me come in here while they're like getting it ready for the next cruise. And a girl's got to dream. You know what I'm saying? A girl has got to dream. I appreciate my junior suite. You know what I'm saying? But I work for the people. Don't you like seeing me in these luxury suites? So it makes you want to buy one and come on board and experience all this luxuriousness you could fulfill at sea. I mean, I'm just saying, y'all. If Royal Caribbean starts doing this, I need y'all to comment below and let them know, hey, hook your girl Steph up. She's like a walking advertisement for you guys. She wrote a song about you guys. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, if they did something like that for me, gave me this room, I wouldn't go nowhere. I would stay right on the ships the whole time. Me and Max would come here. We would move in. Like, I would just have him live in the. This is a small apartment here. Anyway, let me show you the room.
Okay, guys, so this is gonna be a voiceover because I was just taking the whole room in. So look at all of this space you have. The table, look at this couch that's obviously a let out sofa. You've got this really cool like rotating TV in the bedroom. The beds do split in two, so this thing can sleep multiple people. Now the cabinets and drawers are all open because they're preparing for the next guests and they have to clean everything out, make sure you guys didn't leave anything behind. But look at the bedroom, the artwork, the view of the balcony from the bedroom. And again, this TV, it's one of my favorite things. I had to spin it around for you guys. You just retch it around and wrench it off, and then suddenly you have the TV showing in your bedroom. I mean, the luxuriousness of it all. And again, this is the Bizette suite. Ladies, look at the vanity. I mean, I can't believe it. The couches, again, those let out. Then you have this full dining area. You've got a little bar in the back for your little drinks or your mini bottles of wine that you buy. And then, y'all, the bathroom, you get a bidet in the Bizette, okay? A bidet in the Bizette. I'm so glad the song stopped right here because we got a tub. But it's not just a tub, guys. It's a jacuzzi and a shower. Like, I mean, this bathroom is incredible. The flooring inside the room, and that's the view coming out of the bathroom. I mean, the Bizette suite is off the chain. And look at how big this balcony is.
Riding the waves of the ocean.
I mean, do you see the space of it all out here? Look at this. I could do yoga out here in the mornings. Like, come on, y'all. Oh my gosh. I hope you all enjoyed this little tour of the Bizette suite on board the Serenade of the Seas. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I'm serious, y'all. You have got to get your girl in these rooms. Come on. This is 12, almost 13 years at sea. Your girl deserves this, right? She deserves it, y'all. But listen, Linda. Guess what's coming next? I'm gonna show y'all the royal suite. You have got to tune in, okay, guys? I love you. I'll see you in the next video.
Throw your cares away. It's paradise in Coco Cay.
Now the song is, we got a tub and a jacuzzi. And y'all, We got a shower with a triple shower head.
The lady thanks you for watching.